Pallavam Gajananam Ekadantam Om Namo Narayanaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hi everyone. After the education series, starting the job series today. So there will be a series of few videos to help people who are struggling with their job, who are not able to find a job, who are already in the job but struggling because of certain issues. So we'll try to give away few tips and tricks which can help them. Okay, so before I start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please ensure that you subscribe to my channel right away so that you get auto notifications whenever I post a new video. The videos that I upload from time to time, almost once in every week, will have some or the other key takeaways and some useful stuff, so it's going to help. Now before I get into the actual content of this video, let me tell you that we have launched a new product, a unique personalized numerology report which has the assessment of your strengths and weaknesses. It's a 50+ page report with your complete numerology assessment, and that's the gateway, the starting point to understand your strengths and weaknesses and to start taking actions. So if you need more details, please ensure that you visit my webpage astrologic.in. I have given the link in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. So coming to today's subject of job, so many people who come to me, youngsters, they'll be struggling to get a job, and even if they are in a job, they will be having certain issues with their supervisors, with the management, so on and so forth. So the whole idea of starting this series is to help people or guide people who are actually trying to find a job, struggling to find a job, or they are in a job but they are having certain issues. Okay, so in such scenarios, you can definitely try out these tips and tricks which I am going to give away today, and in case if you need more details, you can always contact us. Okay, so let's get started. The first one is a mantra. This is a mantra which you need to recite or chant before you attend an interview, whether it is a telephonic interview or a physical interview. If it is a telephonic interview, before the interview, you chant this mantra 108 times by giving certain intentions. The intentions are very important here because the vibrations will work accordingly, whatever intentions that you are giving. The intention has to be that you should get through this interview and you should get the job. That is the intention that you have to give, and then chant this 108 times before you leave your place for the interview or just before your telephonic interview. Okay, so even if there are 3, 4, 5, 6 rounds of interview, before all the interviews you need to chant this mantra with right intentions. So here is the mantra. Om Hrim Vagvadini Bhagavati Mam Karya Siddhim Kuru Kuru Fat Swaha. So this is the mantra. Let me repeat. Om Hrim Vagvadini Bhagavati Mam Karya Siddhim Kuru Kuru Fat Swaha. So this is the mantra. Chant this mantra just before the interview, and all the best. And just as a supporting technique for the mantra that I gave to get success in the interview, this is a yantra to get a job. Okay, so this yantra, I have posted the yantra at the end of this video. Please have a look at it. You just have to write this yantra on a white paper 16 times. You can take a A4 size paper and write this yantra 16 times, 16 times using a red ink pen. Okay, and then on a Thursday you write it, and then you keep it in your puja room, your prayer room, puja mandir, whatever, wherever you keep the god at your place. You can stick it there, you can keep it there, you can even laminate and keep it there, and then every day after you take bath, when you're praying, you can give the intention looking at this yantra that you should get the job as early as possible. Okay, and this works miraculously. I've given it to some of my clients, and they have given the positive feedback on this. So this is what I had for today. And once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please ensure that you subscribe to my channel so that you get auto notification and you don't miss out on any videos whenever I post them. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this video. Whoever is having issues in getting a job, I hope that these tips are going to help them for sure. Okay, so Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.